Hello, my name is Nico, and because I use a bionic hand, please call me Bionico. I lost my hand in 2002, and I learned how to use a myoelectric hand. In 2012, new models, more sophisticated, appears with Bluetooth connectors, articulated fingers, robotic aspects, but they cost an arm, like 30,000 euros, and I couldn't afford it. The same year, I discovered 3D printing and Fab Labs, and I discovered that I could myself get involved in a project where my disability was the center of gravity, and this is how I learned how to use a 3D printer, and this is how I realized I could learn through my disability. From there, we made a bionic hand that cost 300 euros, that is only a prototype. It's not a prosthesis that you can sell, but it's something that you can use to learn. Then we launched My Human Kit. My Human Kit is a non-profit organization that uses disability and art and has opened a human lab to welcome people every Thursday in Rennes, in France, in a free spaces called Human Lab, where people can come and get involved on their own problem. So the problem becomes a solution, and the limitation becomes a motivation. We decided to share everything we make. Bionic hands, electrical wheelchairs made from wheels, and adaptations for any kind of disabilities. We are not a startup, so we don't have a product to sell. Our partners are foundations, 60% of the budget. We also have partners on 30% of the budget, and 10% is prestations that we sell. Unfortunately, I am going to leave, so if you want to keep in touch, please take my contact. And always remember that you may have a little bit less, but at the end, you have something more. Thank you very much.